Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. As you can see, so right now we're in like a construction area. New neighborhoods are being built. You know, I need to find a nice area to shoot. Not nice, but open area to shoot. This might be the last shoot with the FA5 before it goes into winter mode. Gonna take off the wheels, everything. So yeah, let's get this shoot on the road. We've got some stuff to do today. Might be an interesting video, so let's get it. So yeah, it is a windy day. I apologize for the wind noise in advance. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But today we're going to talk about how much did it cost me to build this car right here, the Civic Si. This is a 2009 Honda Civic Si FA5 8th gen. Has full bolt-ons. Basically has everything. It's a street car. That's the intended purpose of this build. Yeah, it has the lips, wheels, coilovers, all the performance parts. Yeah, stuff like that. There's obviously more you can do to this car. There's so much potential with the 8th gen or Civics in general. But right now I'm satisfied with the build, and I just want to give you guys a mod list and how much it cost me to build this car. But first things first, shout out for the support on the last video. You guys killed it. It got a lot of views real quick. Yeah, I appreciate it. It helps keep me motivated to keep going. That's why I love doing this. It's just fun, and I like the reception. Keep it up, liking, subscribing. Yeah, just keep going. Alright, so let's get into today's video. How much did I put into this car? How much did it cost me to build this 8th gen Si? I don't know the actual number. I'm just gonna give a guess real quick. I think it's about, so I own this car for 3 years now. I think it's about $5,300 in modifications. But yeah, let's get into this video. This price is not going to include anything like maintenance or labor or stuff like that. It's just the price itself and how much I paid. Keep in mind, I'm in the Toronto area. I'm in Canada. This is what I paid for it. You guys might pay different. So this is how much I spent. Let's get into today's video, and let's start with the exterior. This car is sitting on coilovers, K-Tune K1 street coilovers. That ran me about $1,200. So $1,200 for the coilovers. You see the wheels and tires. These are Enkei RPF 1s, 17 by 9 plus 45 in the front, 17 by 8 plus 45 in the rear. The tires are Federal 595 SS. And so I picked these up used, the wheels and the tires, and that ran me about $1,250. So coilovers $1,200, wheels and tires $1,250. Next we have the lips. So we have the front lip over here. A lot of people ask me what it is. It's the Asia HFP front lip. It's for the 09 Up Civic Si sedan, and it's a replica of the 09 Up Coupe lip. So this front lip was about $150 without the paint. Going on to the sides, we have the CTR side skirts. And if you guys want to see the install of all these parts, they should be on the channel for the most part. You just gotta dig deep. It's all there. So CTR side skirts, this was about $220 without the paint. Obviously both sides. So moving on to the rear, we got the Mugen RR replica rear lip. Comes with a brake light, and this was about $260 without the paint. So to get the front lip painted, that was $150. Side skirts was $200, and the rear lip was also $150. So we'll add that up. That's $150. So to get all of that painted, that's about $500 plus the lip. So there you have it. That's that. But top one, winglets. A lot of people ask me what these extensions are. Winglets. So the winglets from top one, that cost me about, so they're 80 USD, but to ship them here is about $60. So that cost me about $150 for the winglets. So on the side here, we got the Mugen visors. This is also a replica. This cost me about $100 for these visors. At the back here, we got the HIC visor, rear visor. This is for the 8th gen and 9th gen. This was about $105. Spoon sticker, that was $5. This K-Tune license plate frame, I got this for free. This was wrapped, about 20 bucks for the wrap, and then I wrapped it myself. The rear badge, 40 bucks. Stickers, this is from High Beams, I made it. VTech Club, from VTech Club and Final Boss. This was about 5 bucks and 10 bucks. This one right here is like $9 for that sticker, Kakashi. This sticker from High Beams, made it myself. High Beams as well. Link in the description. And then this Honda Primo banner. This banner was about 55. We got the front badge, 40. And then I also had the hood bra on earlier this season. The hood bra was about 80 bucks. So we got the Nokia bulbs, DRL, the yellow DRL. That was about 25. The low beam was also about 25. And then we got the fog lights. They're both Nokia Arctic White. Both of them were 25. So 25, 25, 25, 75 for lighting. So I think that's it for the exterior. We're gonna total that up. You guys will see it somewhere in the screen. So let's hop in the interior. See the mods we got in here. It's not much. So we got the Bride shift boot. This was about 55. For the shift boot, this is a Skunk 2 replica shift knob. This was about 10 bucks. We got the steering wheel Honda badge, red Honda badge. This is about 25. You know I always have this, the Febreze, 5 bucks for the pair. You know how I'm coming. This on the seats. This is just a fun little mod. This was like $10. LED lights in the interior from Amazon. That was about 12 bucks for the set, front and back. And yeah, that's it for the interior. So yeah, that's it for the interior. It's not that much. We'll total it up. You'll see it somewhere on the screen. And on to the next one. So let's talk about performance. Pop the hood. So for the catback, I'm running the NVIDIA Q300. I used to have the N1, but we ended up switching this. So having both and then switching to this, the exhaust costed me about $450. I picked it up used. So under the hood, we got a few things. First things first, I'm on Hondata. Picked that up used. It was about $650. Me and the homies got tuned on Hondata, so that was about $450 for us to get tuned. So that's that. Intake, K&N intake. Picked this up new. This was about 400 bucks. Inside over there, if y'all can see, we have the hybrid racing shifter bushings. That was about 100 bucks. Just over there, right over there. K-Tune fuel rail and idle air assist delete. I did a video on that. 200 for the rail, 20 bucks for the delete. P2R, that throttle body spacer, that was about 120, 130, something like that. And then I got K-Tune gaskets to go with it. The gaskets were 20 each, so 40. And then the K-Tune valve cover breather, this was about 20 bucks as well. This was a gift for the spoon. Shout out my guy Marco. Password JDM battery tie down, this was about 15 bucks. So the last two parts you guys can see, we are running the Skunk 2 header, as you guys already know, along with the Hasport motor mount 70A. The header was about $600, and the motor mount was about $140. So there's that. So I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I think that's all the mods I have on this car. Went through it all. If y'all are good at math, you can total it up. Just playing. I got you guys. Gonna total it up. Yeah, let's find out how much it is, man. I don't even know. Let's see. Alright, so I did the totals on what it cost me to build this car. All these parts, full bolt-ons, everything. I checked my phone The total is, one second guys. The total is NANI? To get this car to where it is. I can't believe it. 7,000. So there you have it. About $7,000 to build this car the way it is. And that doesn't even include maintenance or like labor, installs, anything like that. So it could be more than that. Man, that's crazy. That's what it takes, guys. $7,000. Man, we work really hard. This is what I like to do, so that's why I did it. No regrets. 3 years in the making of this Civic Si. Man, I really spent 7,000 plus on this Civic. Can't believe it. But yeah, it's been a journey. I enjoyed this process. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. You guys already know what to do. I appreciate the support. Catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.